So right now I'm deep cleaning the window so I can apply a 1-year coating to it. So anything that I don't clean off will be trapped by the coating and you'll be staring at in your window for that whole year. So you can buy glass coatings at stores. That's true. Basically, the biggest thing you want to make sure is that you are appropriately cleaning the window and making sure that everything is off of it and it's a nice clean surface. So that includes not only cleaning it with glass cleaner, but also cleaning with clay bar. So if you don't lower your window when you're cleaning, these lines will exist and look cruddy. So we're cleaning the whole window. I am cleaning with the approved product from the manufacturer, the glass, once again. This just makes sure it's a good, clean bonding surface, that all contamination is off of the window. Right now I am applying Diamond Glass by Diamond Protech, which is a 12-month sealant. And this helps with all kinds of contaminants that try to cling to your glass. So it helps you drive in torrential downpours, snow and ice. Can't bond as easily to the surface with us. So just keeps your glass cleaner longer.